as indicated by the most recent long-haul conjecture. Ethereum cost will hit $6,000 toward the finish of 2024 and afterward $9,000 toward the finish of 2025. Ethereum will ascend to $10,000 inside the time of 2027, $12,000 in 2029 and $15,000 in 2033. About Ethereum. Ethereum is an open-source blockchain framework that in a general sense expands the idea of blockchain past its unique relationship with digital forms of money like Bitcoin. Presented in 2015 by Vitalik Buterin and a group of engineers, Ethereum is planned as a decentralized stage that empowers shrewd agreements and circulated applications dApps to be constructed and worked with next to no margin time, misrepresentation, control, or impedance from an outsider. Ethereum likewise presented the idea of a programmable blockchain, where engineers can make their own tasks of any intricacy, subsequently empowering the formation of different decentralized applications. This is worked with by Ethereum's local programming language, robustness, which permits designers to compose brilliant agreements and send them on the Ethereum blockchain. Ethereum's importance lies in its digital currency, as well as in its boundless applications empowered by brilliant agreements. A stage is made ready for another period of decentralized computerized applications, from money and gaming to production network the executives, and then some, testing customary models of control and offering another worldview of disseminated agreement and trust. Why is the Ethereum cost so unpredictable? Ethereum, in the same way as other digital currencies, is known at its cost unpredictability. This implies the cost of Ethereum can rise or fall emphatically in an extremely brief time frame. A few variables add to this unpredictability, making it both an interesting and dangerous venture. First and foremost, market opinion assumes an enormous part. Reports, web-based entertainment posts, and public articulations by compelling individuals can influence individuals' insights decidedly or adversely, prompting quick cost changes. For example, in the event that a notable business person tweets something certain about Ethereum, its cost could flood as additional individuals race to get it. Trusting the worth will keep on climbing. Hypothesis additionally adds to the instability. Many individuals purchase Ethereum not to utilize it, but rather trusting it will increment in esteem so they can sell it at a benefit. This speculative exchanging can prompt fast cost swings as financial backers respond to momentary open doors or dangers, frequently founded on restricted data or bits of gossip. The liquidity of Ethereum, how effectively it very well may be traded at a steady cost, likewise influences its unpredictability. Contrasted with conventional business sectors like stocks or land, the cryptographic money market is less fluid. Significance, even little exchanges can immensely affect the market cost. This absence of liquidity can prompt sensational cost developments as merchants endeavor to enter or leave their positions. Moreover, administrative news can cause critical cost developments. At the point when an administration declares new guidelines or boycotts concerning digital forms of money, it can prompt vulnerability among financial backers. For instance, in the event that a significant economy like the US or China presents severe guideline, it could make the cost dive as individuals dread the effect on Ethereum's convenience and acknowledgement. Finally, the innovation and improvement of Ethereum itself can impact its cost. Refreshes, new elements, or massive changes in the Ethereum blockchain can prompt cost changes. Financial backers could respond decidedly to redesigns that work on the stage's productivity, security, or adaptability, prompting cost increments. Then again, postponements or issues with updates can prompt declines in cost. Verifiable forecasts. Zaforza 1224. Ethereum value expectation 2024-2025. Ethereum cost began in 2024 at $2,294.70. Today, Ethereum exchanged at $3,608.69, so the cost expanded by 57% from the very outset of the year. The anticipated Ethereum cost toward the finish of 2024 is $8,359, and the year-to-year change plus 264%. The ascent from today to year-end, plus 132%. In 2024, we hope to see further 5,765 per 1 Ethereum. In the primary portion of 2025, the Ethereum cost will move to $10,564. In the final part, the cost would add $1.91 and close the year at $11,655, which is plus 223% to the ongoing cost. Ethereum forecast 2026-2030. These 5 years would bring an increment. Ethereum cost would move from $11 to $655 to $15,736, which is up 35%. Ethereum will begin 2026 at $11 to $655, then, at that point, dip to $9.920 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2026 at $10,254. That implies plus 184% from today. Ethereum expectation 2031-2035. In this period, the Ethereum cost would ascend from $15 to $736 to $2,287, which is plus 29%. Ethereum will begin 2031 at $15,736, then, at that point, dip to $14,792 inside the main portion of the year, and finish 2031 at $15,624. It is about plus 333% from today. So 315,204. Ethereum value forecast 2024-2025. Ethereum cost began in 2024 at $2,294.70. Today, Ethereum exchanged at $3,689.07, so the cost expanded by 61% from the very start of the year. The determined Ethereum cost toward the finish of 2024 is $772, and the year-to-year change plus 239%. The ascent from today to year-end, plus 111%. In 2024, we hope to see $6,983 per 1 Ethereum. In the principal half of 2025, the Ethereum cost will move to $9,537. In the last part, the cost would lose $9,951 and close the year at $8,586, which is plus 133% to the ongoing cost. Ethereum forecast 2031-2035. In this period, the Ethereum cost would ascend from $12,595 to $17,927, which is plus 42%. Ethereum will begin 2031 at $12,595, then, at that point, take off to $13,351 inside the main portion of the year, and finish 2031 at $14,102. It is about plus 282% from today. 3-1-2-4. Ethereum value expectation 2024-2025. Ethereum cost began in 2024 at $2,294.70. Today, Ethereum exchanged at $3,386.04, so the cost expanded by 48% from the outset of the year. The anticipated Ethereum cost toward the finish of 2024 is $6,211, and the year-to-year change plus 171%. The ascent from today to year-end, plus 83%. In 2024, we hope to see further $581 per 1 Ethereum. In the main portion of 2025, the Ethereum cost will move to $7 to $622. In the last part, the cost would lose $760 and close the year at $6,862, which is plus 103% to the ongoing cost. Ethereum forecast 2026-2030.